How to save Google Slide as a PDF. Guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the two quick way that you can use as per your requirement. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we starting, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open the slide. So here you can see I have opened my Google Slide here, and I have 5 slide here, and how you can save it I'll show you. As I told you, there is a two-way. First, simple, just go to the file, go to the download. Okay, I lost the internet. Okay, I just go to the download and go to the PDF. Now your all file will be download as a PDF. You can see, you can open it like this. Now you can save it in your computer. It's already download it in your computer, but you can save it again if you want. Save it as if you want. Okay, but in case if you want to download or save only particular files out of this file, okay, you can see I have 5 slide here, and I out of this file I want to save only second file and fourth second slide and fourth slide as a PDF. So what I need to do, so therefore that you can easily use the one trick, which is just go to the print section, and here this pop-up will be open. Now just click save as a PDF. Now go to the custom. You can also save all, okay, from here also, but if you want to run custom, go to custom and fourth, which seconds and fourth. Okay, so I want save only fourth, second and fourth only per sheet, or you can also make it different page for per sheet, and go to the save, rename it test for per sheet PDF. Okay, so now if I go to the desktop, okay, under the desktop you can see this option called test per sheet. This is a PDF. You can see I have save as a PDF this sheet. Okay, so that is how you can convert a Google slide in PDF, or save as a PDF Google slide. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.